A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your homes. So, students, let's start our English grammar class. So, students, in our last class, we had completed chapter 26 adverbs, and today we'll start chapter 27 preposition. So, here's the definition of preposition is given. Prepositions show the relationship between noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. So examples are also given. You can see meet me in class, keep the plates on the table. Here the word which are written in bold are prepositions. Like in, into, on, off, across, under, above, behind, near, with, through, over, by, between are prepositions. These all words which we to use to show relationship between nouns and pronouns and other words in a sentence. These words are called preposition. So here exercise is given. Underline the preposition. It's very simple exercise. We just have to underline the preposition here. So I'll do two questions and you have to do rest of the questions of this exercise. So the first one is there were two apples in the basket. Here in is preposition. The beggar is sleeping under the tree. Here under is preposition. So rest of the questions you all have to do. Carefully read the following sentences to understand the use of certain preposition. Here we have to read them and we have to understand them that where we have to use the preposition. We should take care of our elders. We should be kind to the street animals. Tina is coming to the dinner. Like this, all of these sentences are given which you all have to read. More about preposition. Let us discuss the correct use of some prepositions. Among, between. Where we have to use among? We have to use among between when two peoples or where we have to use among more than two peoples. If we are talking about more than two peoples, then we have to use among. And if we are talking about only two people or two things, we have to use between. Like as you can see here, Ria is standing between her friends. Ria is standing among her friend. Here more than two peoples are, you can see more than two people. So we have used among and here only two. That's why between. There is no difference between the two drawings. She shared the chocolates among her classmates. Into and in. Where we have to use into. In shows position in one place. Into shows a movement from one place to another. Here's the example. Vijay is jumping into the pool. Vijay is in the pool. The car is into the kitchen. The cat is into the kitchen. Jyoti is in the room. Beside and besides. Beside means at the side of or near to. Besides means in addition to. Beside means side of or near to, and besides means in addition. Like come and sit beside me. Besides singing, I also like to dance. These points are very important. You all have to learn them. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Gauri distributed the sweets among. Zoya has invited me dash her birthday party in or to. Which is the correct answer? Correct is to. Understood? Now, rest of the questions you all have to do. Fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition from the box. Where did you buy the shirt? So, the answer is, where did you buy the shirt from? This is the first one. Next is, I asked him to deliver the letter to Ashok. Where is to? Yes. To Ashok. I hope you all can do rest of the exercise. Move to the next chapter, which is chapter 28, conjunction. Here, definition of conjunction is given. Conjunctions are joining words. They help to join words, groups of words, and even sentence. Conjunction joined words that belong to the same part of speech, like nouns, mummy and papa, apple or pear. Hmm. Adjective, sad and tired, intelligent but naughty. Adverb, here and there, slowly but surely. Pronoun, he and I, them or me. Conjunction joined sentence. Mummy is going to the town, I'm going with her. Mummy is going to the town and I'm going with her. Here you can see and. And we use and to join two words and sentences expressing similar ideas. Here you can see Meena went to the library and brought a few books. Or you can have tea or coffee. You can go to the library or stay at home. But Tina is tall, but Meena is short. Jeet is young but wise. Because he was late because he missed the bus. Now, some more conjunctions are presented in the following sentences. Although he is wealthy, Mr. Verma is very humble. When the rain stopped, he started our journey. While, since, if, unless, so, but, or, because. These all are conjunction words. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentence. The baby was crying because it was hungry. So the first one is because I will not let you go unless you speak the truth. Unless. So rest of the questions you all have to do, students, find out the conjunction and underline them. She is crying dash the dog bite her. Dog bite her. So what will come here? Tell me. Yes. Because Jack and Jill went up the hill. So rest of the questions you all have to find out the answers and fill in the blanks. Join the sentences with conjunction in the bracket. I hope you all can do this. Is your assignment. So students, we'll complete rest of the chapter in our next class. Till then, take care. Good day.